Have you ever dreamed of taking your nursing career to the next level? Picture this: walking in a place where healthcare standards are among the highest in the world, surrounded by Ireland's beautiful landscapes and vibrant culture. Sounds amazing, right? Well, if you are a nurse from abroad, this dream can be your reality. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar and today we will discuss about how to become a registered nurse in the Republic of Ireland, whether you are from a background of PCL Nursing, BN or BSc Nursing. So let's jump into the process and make your nursing career in Ireland a reality. The first step in this process is proving your English proficiency. You will need to pass either the IELTS or the OET exam. Here is the deal. For IELTS, you need to score at least 7 in 3 bands and 6.5 in 1. And for OET, aim for a B in 3 sections and at least C+ in 1 section. These scores show that you can communicate effectively in a healthcare setting. Once you have nailed this, you are one step closer. Step 2 is create your NMBI profile. This is the official online system NMBI uses for registration. To get started, you will need to pay a registration fee of €350. Once you have set up your profile, you will be asked to upload some key documents. Here is what you will need: a notarized color copy of your passport, your college transcript which should also be notarized, a copy of your nursing curriculum which should also be notarized, and a good standing letter from your home country's nursing board. For instance, Nepal Nursing Council if you are from Nepal. Finally, you will download and fill out 2 forms from the NMBI website: the NMBI qualification form and the NMBI employment form. Once you submit these, the NMBI will receive your documents and send you a decision letter. This is the green light that you are ready for next step. Third step is the Aptitude and Adaptation Test, which is theory and practical. But before booking the test, there is a fee of 2,800 for the Aptitude Test. However, if you have a sponsor, perhaps from a hospital or healthcare agency, they may cover this cost for you, which can be a huge help. In the theory test, you will answer 150 multiple choice questions. You will also find out an ISBAR form, which is Identify, Situation, Background Assessment and Recommendation, where you will apply INEWS, the Irish National Early Warning System, and the Glasgow Coma Scale GCS to 2 scenarios. You need to get 50% to pass. Next is the practical test, OSCE, the Objective Structured Clinical Examination. Here you will go through 14 different stations where your clinical skills are assessed. You will perform procedures and answer viva questions. Think of it as a day in the life of a nurse, but under exam conditions. Here is a bit of relief. If you fail any stations, you will get one more chance to pass. So take a deep breath, stay calm, and trust your skills. The fourth step is securing your nursing pin. After passing your exams, it's time for the final step: applying for the nursing pin. Once you apply, NMBI will contact your home country's nursing board to confirm all your details. Once everything is confirmed, the NMBI will send you a confirmation email which you have been waiting for. The one that says you are now officially a registered nurse in Ireland. Congratulations, you have finally made it. From acing your language test to passing your exams and finally receiving your nursing pin, you have completed your journey. And now you are ready to start your new career in Ireland, a country known for its world-class healthcare and amazing opportunities for nurses. Remember, your dream of becoming a registered nurse in Ireland is just a few steps away. Good luck! If this video helped you understand the process, then don't forget to share it with your fellow nurses who are thinking about moving abroad, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.